Hi, welcome to Learn ICT in 15 minutes. In this lesson, I will show you how to make ID photo using a free online photo editor called Pixlite.x. You can use this online photo editor at pixlite.com/x. First, we have to determine the size of the ID photo. Suppose the size of the ID photo is 1.5 inch by 2 inches, okay? And we choose this photo paper, a 4D photo paper of size 6 inches by 4.5 inches. And also we have to determine the resolution of the photo. Suppose we choose 300 dpi, which is the standard resolution, okay? Then, after simple calculations, we find that the width of this photo paper is 1800 pixels. The height is 1350 pixels, okay? And for each ID photo, the size is 450 pixels by 600 pixels. We are going to copy this ID photo onto the photo paper, and we find that this photo paper can hold about six ID photos on one photo paper. So let's start. In this lesson, I have already downloaded a license-free photo from the internet. Then I will open Image and choose this photo. First, you have to crop the photo. Use this crop. Remember, you have to select aspect. Keep the aspect ratio unchanged because the ID photo is 1.5 inch by 2 inches. The aspect ratio is 3:4. So enter 3 and enter 4 here. The aspect ratio is 3:4. Now start cropping. Choose the region, choose the area. Okay, then click this one, Apply. You have just cropped the photo. Okay, refer to these figures. Because the dimensions of one ID photo is 1.5 inches by 2 inches. So the dimensions is 450 pixels by 600 pixels. Therefore, you have to resize this photo. Look that the dimensions is now 593 by 791. So use this one. Properties, resize image. Keep the aspect ratio unchanged. Just enter the width. The height will be 600 pixels. It may be 599 or 601 with a small error. It doesn't matter, okay? Apply. Okay. This is one ID photo. You can now save it first with the file type JPEG and highest quality. You can now download the photo. Okay. Then we will create another file for the photo paper. Click here, Create New. Enter the size of the photo paper. Refer to the handout. 6 inches by 4.5 inches. That is 1800 by 1350. Also, select the color of the background. I choose right color. Then click here, create. Now you have a 4D photo paper. The size of this photo paper is called 4D. Now we can paste the ID photo onto this photo paper. Click here, add image. Click here, browse. And select the photo paper you have just downloaded. Add current. Choose Add current. Add the image as a layer in the current document. This is the object. This is the object on the layer of the photo paper. Okay, now paste it about here. Right click, duplicate layer. Look at this. You have another layer now. Repeat this process. Duplicate. Duplicate. Okay. Duplicate again. Duplicate again. Now you have 6 ID photos on a 4D photo paper. Of course, we have to align the ID photos so that when you get the photo paper, you can cut along this straight line and get 6 photo IDs, 6 ID photos. Okay. Select the layer. Use this tool, arrange. Enter the offset from the top. Suppose it is 700. Okay. And enter an offset from the left, 90. Okay, so this is also, select this layer. All have the same top offset. Suppose this is from 650. This also have 700 pixels from the top, and maybe 1200 from the left. Okay, so this one, and 70 from the top. And 90 from the left, so that this layer have the same left offset as this layer. Okay, so these two are aligned. This one and this one also have the same left alignment. Okay, now all the layers are now aligned. You can save this photo paper with the file type JPEG and highest quality. Finished. you have just made a 4D photo paper with 6 photos, with 6 ID photos on it. Okay, finished. Thank you for watching. See you next time.